Want to impress your friends and family from your cooking skills? So the best way is to cook a tasty and juicy barbecue biryani for them. We'll help you out along the way. Let's get to cooking. Start by slicing 3 onions and take them into a pan with a cup of oil. We'll fry them until they turn golden brown. Next, we'll take out 3/4 part of the friend onions and set them aside. Okay, so for the marination of the chicken, we'll take that to a bowl. And add a tablespoon of ginger garlic and green chili paste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, and a teaspoon of coriander powder. You can adjust the spices as per your taste. As in my case, I have added lots of red chili powder, and with that we'll add a spoonful of our fried onions and a bowl of yogurt. We'll mix all these and it should look like this. Okay, so now we'll lower the flame and add our marinated chicken to that and let it simmer for 10 to 15 solid minutes. Let's take off the lid and check if oil has started to separate. And just when it starts to separate, we'll add the tomato puree to it. I made it off camera as I forgot to press the record button. Okay, so we added the tomato puree and we'll let it simmer again for some time. And in between that, throw in some diced onions to it you like. And just look at that juicy chicken. I'll garnish it with some thin sliced ginger and mint leaves. Okay, now for the rice, we'll take a jug of water in a heated pan. And add 4 sliced potatoes to it. With that, we'll add some red and green chilies, some thin sliced ginger along with mint leaves, lemon slices and a curry leaf. We'll add all these to the boiling water, and with that, we'll also add 3 teaspoons of salt as we're boiling rice, so how can we forget that? We'll mix all these up and add just a teaspoon vinegar for taste and let it cook for some time. Okay, so I guess the rice is cooked enough. We'll strain it and get it ready for layering. And after layering, I'm going to garnish it with some diced tomatoes, mint leaves, the fried onions we set aside earlier, some lemon slices and ginger. After simmering it for a while, we'll add some yellow food colour to it for that authentic biryani look. And finally, we'll give our biryani a steam of coal on an aluminium foil for 5 to 10 minutes for that barbecue taste. While we wait, check out our more amazing recipes on our channel. Okay, so now we'll remove the coal and mix it up. And our delicious barbecue biryani is ready for impressing all our friends and family. Now it's your turn to do so. If this recipe helped you, consider giving this video a like and hit that subscribe button, and we'll be back with another amazing recipe.